ready to unlock even bigger savings on your Temu hauls. Today, we're diving into how to use your Temu credit balance to pay, making your shopping experience smoother and your wallet happier. Let's get started. First, open your Temu app and tap on the U tab at the bottom of your screen here. You'll see your available Temu credit balance displayed clearly. This is your treasure chest of savings. Next, browse through Temu's amazing selection and add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Once you're done shopping, head to your shopping cart by tapping the cart icon, review your selected items, and make sure everything is correct. Then, tap the checkout button. On the checkout page, you'll see various payment options. Look for Temu credit and make sure the toggle switch is turned on. This will automatically apply your available credit to your order. You'll see the order total automatically adjust to reflect the deducted amount from your Temu credit balance. If your credit covers the entire order, you won't need to add any other payment method. If your credit doesn't cover the full amount, simply choose another payment method like a credit card or PayPal. To pay the remaining balance, review your order one last time and tap Submit Order, and that's it. Enjoy your savings and happy shopping on Temu. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Temu tips and tricks.